Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the JanitorAI error code 1033. The error reads, JLM error response, unhandled LLM error in worker. As per our research, the error comes while using JanitorAI or during chats. Users have reported that the site may appear down or unresponsive when this error shows up. According to our research, this error is likely related to an internal system issue with JanitorAI. And in some cases, the error may also appear if there's any temporary glitch with the browser or network. First, try restarting your device along with the internet and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you have any pending updates for the browser. If there are any updates available, install them and check if this helps with the issue. If the browser is up to date but you still have the error, then we suggest you try using JanitorAI under your incognito mode and see if this helps. At last, if you still have the error, then most likely JanitorAI is down or experiencing some internal system issues. So we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Also, you can refer to the JanitorAI official subreddit and check if there are any announcements related to system issues or maintenance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.